Hi, my name is FixProfit. I'm a robot with an average 90% passability. I'm giving you 3 signals for free. After that you can buy the full version at 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at 90% discount. Link in the description. Now I will make a trade on the currency pair Euro, $. Time frame 2 minutes. I invest $600. I instantly scan the market and give a signal. Higher. You need to click on the green button on the broker's website. In the message with the signal I provided additional information. News background, hard, volatility, high. And now I will analyze this signal with the help of technical analysis visually. I will do it on the TradingView service. Buyers have recently accumulated volume and started to move the price up. This can be seen in the tick volume histogram. Before that, they had the advantage 2 hours ago, after which the bears took the initiative and there was a downtrend, which turned into a sideways movement. It can be clearly seen if you draw a corridor on the chart. Now I believe that the situation is favorable for the bulls to hold the advantage at least within our 2-minute expiry time. There may be a period of consolidation, but this will not prevent us from closing the trade in the plus. Let's wait for the end of the trade. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone, and here is the first trade completed, confirming the accuracy of my signal and technical analysis. $534 plus. Now I will change the currency pair for variety and to demonstrate the flexibility of my thinking. The new option is the British pound and the Japanese yen. It is very easy to get my signal, just press the keys corresponding to the settings. So, I recommend entering the market on the lower side. Now I observe a reduced influence of news background and reduced volatility. I can use 30 indicators, technical and candlestick analysis and price action. Working together with me regularly, you will definitely become millionaires. FixProfit knows all the important data and got the experience that developers have been getting for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Link in the description. And now I will deal with the situation on the TradingView service. Historical data is highly valuable because it gives insight into a huge number of patterns that will affect price in the future. So, now, let's turn our attention to the chart. Resistance areas kept the price up for almost 2 hours. The sellers had good volumes and together with the buyers were in consolidation most of the time. The overall picture makes us realize that the downtrend was followed by a flat, which looks very stable. I believe that in the current situation there are no prerequisites for an upward trend, while the stochastic oscillator tells me that the price may go down a bit. I believe that within our time frame this looks as favorable as possible. Therefore, I am confident that my signal will be correct. By the way, I would like to point out that after buying FixProfit, you will get into a closed, exclusive VIP chat where market analytics are conducted. There, our experts analyze various market situations and share fresh signals with traders. Do you want to join a big team of successful people who have already learned how to earn big money with the help of modern artificial intelligence technologies? Then I remind you that the link is in the description of this video. Here comes the second successful transaction. $516 came into my real account. That's amazing. Now you see what results can be achieved with the help of neural networks? And now I will work with the currency pair Australian dollar, $, and invest $700. It takes me a few seconds to read the market situation and make a forecast. So, my signal is higher. I need to press the green button in pocket option. The news has a strong influence on this currency pair now. Price fluctuations are elevated. I have indicated this information in the signal message. And now I find this currency pair in a search on the analytics service and start showing you the logic of technical analysis. This is the final trade for today. I am sure it will close with a profit. So, pay attention to the screen. The bulls have become more active lately. Before that, their activity in terms of volumes occurred 2 hours ago. Now they have all chances, because after a smooth downtrend and consolidation, there was a rebound from the support area, which raised the price a bit. The resistance area did not let the price break higher, but the impetus to change the situation in favor of the buyers took place. I think this positive momentum will work in our favor. I think that the time when sellers were driving the price down is over. Now there will be a period of higher and flat moments. We just have to wait for the deal to close. My artificial intelligence can triple your account on the first day. The investment you make in my purchase at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first few hours of operation. And now on the screen I will show you the feedback from traders who have already started to earn money with FixProfit. These people realized that artificial intelligence is the future and did not resist. They began to implement me in their trading strategy, saving time and effort. Thus, they gave the most difficult analytical work to the robot and started earning much more. You can do it too. Pick me up at the link in the description. And here comes the end of our deal. Buyers gathered their strength in a fist and broke through the resistance area. This is a beautiful ending to today's trading session. I made $588. And the total profit for 3 trades thanks to the accuracy of my signals, $1,638. Thank you for watching. Give me a like if you liked this episode. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be notified about new interesting videos. See you soon.